In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share PowerPoint presentation on Zoom. Online classes and virtual presentations run smoothly from start to finish. If you've ever struggled with screen sharing or worried about showing the wrong screen, don't worry. This guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation before joining your Zoom meeting. This helps you avoid wasting time during the call and keeps your presentation ready to go when it's your turn to speak. Take a quick moment to check your slides, animations, and notes so everything looks exactly how you want it. Next, open Zoom on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, either start a new meeting or join an existing one using the meeting link or meeting ID. After entering the meeting, you'll see the Zoom toolbar near the bottom of your screen. This is where all the main controls are located, including microphone settings, camera controls, and screen sharing. When you're ready to present, click the Share Screen button. A new window will appear showing all the available screens and applications currently open on your computer. Find the window that contains your PowerPoint presentation and select it carefully. If you use multiple monitors, make sure you choose the correct screen so participants only see your presentation and not your desktop or other open apps. Once selected, click Share. Your audience will now be able to see your PowerPoint slides in real time. At this point, start your slideshow in PowerPoint and move through your slides normally while speaking to your audience. You can use keyboard arrows, your mouse, or presentation controls to navigate between slides. For a smoother experience, consider using Presenter View. This allows you to see your notes, upcoming slides, and timing tools while your audience only sees the actual presentation slides. Another important tip is to keep your internet connection stable during the meeting. A strong connection helps prevent lag, freezing, or blurry screen sharing while presenting. You should also interact with your audience throughout the presentation. Ask questions, check the chat occasionally, and encourage feedback to make the session more engaging and interactive.